Alright, we're looking at question number 20, okay? We're talking stem and leaf plots. Basically, a stem and leaf plot is taking a bunch of data here in table format and writing it in an easier form, okay? Remember, this part is your stem, and what comes off this way is going to be your leaf, okay? So basically it says here they want it starting with 1, 5. So basically we go 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, and 1, 9. Okay? Now, the reason I don't go to 20 is there are no weights up here in the 200s, okay? Now, they want a double-sided one. That means we're going to compare, or we're going to list two sets of data, okay? I'm going to do the girls on this side and the boys at this side. So basically, I have my stem. I need to look at my leaves, okay? So if they go up here, I look for the smallest number. There's a 150. I add a 0. That basically means your stem is 1, 5. Your leaf is 0. When you put them together, you get 150. Then I have a 151. All I need to do is put the 1 there. And now I have a 153. Okay? Now, in order to save some time, I did go ahead and get all these numbers. So I'm going to put them down here real quick. In the 160s, you have a 4, 6, 8. In the 170s, you have a 0, 1, 4, 5. And you have 2 at 182. Okay, there's one there at 182 and one at there at 82. So basically it goes from 150 is the minimum, 182 is the max. On the boys' side, you have 1 at 150, you have 1 at 162, and then you have a 176, a 176, and a 178. In the 180s, you have a 181, 183, 185, and 2 187s. Here you have a 194 and a 198. Okay? And that basically is your stem and leaf plot. Now you can do everything you need to do here. You could find the average, you add up all these. You could find the median, the middle number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's 12 sets of data on both sides. So I want to find the middle number. I'm going to count in by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your medium number would be 170, and so on. You can also find the mode. So this is question A, but question B, they're going to take this graph and they're going to ask you a question, okay? They want to suppose there's 300 students and they want to know of 169 or higher, so that's greater than or equal to 169 centimeters for girls, okay? So we're not really going to worry about this side right now, girls. So first of all, we have to find 169. And 169 would be right about here. So we'll just cut this data in half. Actually, it's right at the middle. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls in our little sample here are greater than or equal to 169. Now we want to suppose that number onto 300. Well, if you look right here, 6 out of 12 are 169 or higher, which is basically 1/2. So if we kept this average going and we did 300 students, we could say, by using statistics, that roughly 150 of them will be at a height of 169. Roughly right in the middle. Again, half would be above that height. And that's how you do stem and leaf plots.